Hello there, I am Tugustu Zariun. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. I will continue today's lesson, which is undo and redo, the most important operations in under Microsoft Word. People make a mistake. On such occasion, we can use the two operations undo and redo. When we make a mistake, we can correct by using these operations. Undo and redo. You can quickly reverse most commands you execute by using undo. You then change your mind again and want to reply command undo. You can use redo also. Undo and redo here under Microsoft Word on the left side on the top corner here the icon for undo and the icon for redo. For instance, let me demonstrate you here is equal to RAND. This formula helps us to display 5 paragraphs. Sample text is equal to RAND, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, then press enter key on the keyboard. Pressing after typing, press enter key here. It displays a paragraph. I have displayed sample text. Control A at the same time. Control A on the keyboard helps us select all. Then spacebar. Now it is omitted or deleted or everything. How can we return back? If it is a mistake, we can use undo here. Under parenthesis, Control plus Z says undo. Now the text is returned back. We is redo. Now deleted. We can return back again. If you have multiple pages, then in mistake if you use Control A, then if you press some key on the keyboard, it will be deleted. How can we return back? Undo. By undo, we can return back our texts. Here, alternative method to perform these operations undo and redo. Alternate method undo and redo by using keys. Undo Control plus Z, redo is Control plus Y. Control plus Z on the keyboard, again Control plus Y to redo. Control Z, Control key on the keyboard, Control Z undo, Control is Y redo. At the same time, plus means at the same time. Exercise, type undo example, Control plus Z is typing disappears, redo, Control plus Y. Control plus U for instance, here, let me press enter key, Control A, then after selection in Microsoft Word, first selection, then action, Control U. You help us to underline. It is underlined. For today is enough. I will continue next time. Thank you.